Hakchangda Kanaba machalama oriba omega-3 fatty acid ningthina yaoba nga makhal kaya Manipur da phangliba ase ningthina Yokhattuna Commercialization Touba Mathou Tai lay haina Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla na phongdokkhre wafam asi Manipur University da Makhal hatchery amasong freshwater ecology and sustainable aquaculture laboratory hangdokpaga mari leinana University asigi auditorium da pangthokpa thoramda mahakna phongdokhibane Manipur University amasong ICAR CICFR Bhimtalga khuchapnaraga pangthokhiba thoramadda Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla na hai lamdamasigi ina khulaba heritage amasong mahausagi khudol oina lairamlaba pat amadi turel na chingba kaya asina nga haibasi punsigi thadoknaba yadraba ama oina leirakle lamdamasigi culture amasong tradition da ngagi achauba mafam leibada natana miyamgi sentok lambi amasu chawna pire Manipur gi lairiba top saktam singi manungda nga naso achauba mafam kalle state asida phangliba tongan nga singi manungda Hakchangda Kanaba machal ama oriba omega-3 fatty acid ki chang ningthina yaoba nga makhal yaukre asigumba nga sing asi ningthina Yokhattuna pak sana sijinaba yanaba amade Manipur gi wangmada thadoknaba commercial level da pukhatpa mathou tai asigumba thorang asina Manipur gi anoba masak ama ohenduna lamdamasi hena chawkhatpada mating oigane masida Manipur University da lairiba expert singna lamjinglabade kanaba phangani haina thajai amaromda ngami sing chawkhatnabagi dama government of India na makhal kaya gi thaurang paikhatpaga loinana anoba scheme kaya amaso hawdokpa leikre University asigi PhD tamliba mahirui amadi researcher singna asigumba scheme sing asigi khudongchaba lauraga makhogi mahai adu thabak to onthoknaba honagadabane hawjikti startup scheme gi khudongchaba supirabanina thabak oina pangthoknaba honabada thoidokna awaba oiraroi ahanba hobada mai pakpa ngamdrabaso matung tarakpadadi soidana kumang chawshanba ngamgani haina Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla na makhata ke thoramaduda mahakna makhata na hai fishery sector da northeast ki state sing aduki matik kumang chawshanle report ki matung inna kumjali singani taramari lisingani taramanga da nga ton lakh mari henna puthokpa ngamlamba ado kumjali singani kunithoi lisingani kulumdoi dade nga ton lakh taruk henna puthokpa ngamle Northeastern Council tasu region asidagi nga hena puthokpa ngamnaba infrastructure na chingba develop tawnaba khanghanba leikre Manipur na hojik mayok nariba khudongchadaba khara hairagade infrastructure amasung technology gi awatpa leiba amade ningthina market leitaba asine aduma kolenga ki maikaidagi asigumba khudongchadaba singa sikoknaba mari leinaba singda pukhatkane masida expert singna so makhoi gi thakta chapchaba thokdak lobiyu haina Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla na makhata na phongdokhe Thoramaduda ICAR New Delhi Deputy Director General Fisheries Science Dr. Joy Krishna Jena National Fisheries Development Board ki Chief Executive Dr. Vijay Kumar Behera ICAR Central Institute of Coldwater Fisheries Research Bhimtal ki Director Dr. Pramod Kumar Pandey amade Manipur University ki Vice Chancellor Professor N. Lokendrana President Member Singwaina Sarukya Khe
We in Manipur definitely can look at, because here we stand with some uniqueness, both in the genes part of it, to be on the science side, but the research at even some smaller level, like that small fish you said having high omega-3 fatty acids, is perhaps a very unique thing which we can promote, can earn value. Somebody mentioned 2,000 rupees a kg or something. But these are the things which perhaps we can develop, make Manipur unique for these items. Like those, our coastline states have become, you mentioned about shrimps. Shrimps have done so well, I mean the large percentage, 2/3 of the export value is coming from shrimps. So why not we look at this kind of variety of fish, develop it, make it commercially viable, and then perhaps, I mean the way when I was going around, I was told it's an easier thing to breed and grow. So why not then we do it at a commercial level? I'm sure Manipur University will take a lead in that, and